Hensel, partner and DP here at Spot Media Production Group. DP is a term for Director of Photography, which is a fancy term for camera guy, which means I might possibly know one or two things about cameras, both big and small, and I'm here to show you just a few things that'll make the video that you guys send us better. First and foremost is audio, believe it or not, and the closer you get, the better it sounds. The further away, the worse it sounds. Can anybody hear me?
No.
Anyone?
No.
And when you go outside, there's even more to worry about. Like construction noise, wind, and really? What? Today? Danny, audio guy, can you fix that audio like wind noise and sirens and like dogs barking?
No, but you gotta fix the bits and the bytes and the kilos.
Okay,
and
never mind.
It just
Act like
takes
I
more work
didn't
than I know how to
ask.
do.
Never mind, bye.
And it's just not easy.
So, lighting, also really important. If you're inside shooting people, don't shoot into windows. Shoot using the light from the windows. I look amazing.
Yes, you do.
I know. TK, so you're cool if I shoot like video with my phone like this, right?
Get out. Go.
Really?
Get out of here.
I'm sorry. Let's talk about how you hold your phone. Don't hold it like this. It's so cramped in here. Can't take it. Don't be a dummy. And turn your phone once you started recording. It's too late. Stop the clip and start over. Hold it sideways, please. Also, framing, very important. Nobody looks good down here, but up here, that's right. Keep the camera just a little above the eyes. So remember, stay close to the phone for good sound. Don't shoot into a window. Make sure you have the right orientation when holding your phone and keep those camera shots slightly above the peepers. Don't let all this stuff scare you. Grab that phone, you crazy cinematographer, you. You got stories to tell. We want to see them. Go get them.